Hey guys, what's up? In this video I want to talk about the Voice X5 Octa-Core, and in this video I'm going to be talking about everything about this device. So this Voice X5 Octa-Core is a new device from the Voice. So there has been a race of quad-core phones in local companies like Q-Mobile. So now Voice has stepped up their game, and they have stepped up ahead of a quad core. Okay, so they have released a device with a quad core processor, and also this quad core processor has also NFC function, near field communication, and USB on the go. So now I'm going to talk about the specification of this device. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the display. So we get a 5.0 inch full HD IPS crystal display. Now full HD means full HD. It's a 1080p HD display. It's a very high-end display. So, and also in terms of the processor, we get 1.7 gigahertz octa-core processor. This is a MediaTek processor that was announced this year, last year actually. In December, MediaTek officially announced. So also this processor is also available in some of the other devices of Huawei, and also this processor, if you compare this processor, octa-core processor, to the Galaxy S4, this processor is not as good as the Galaxy S4 processor because this is a Cortex A7 processor. All cores are Cortex A7. There's no ARM Big Little architecture used in this processor, so the clock speed of 1.7 gigahertz is good. Definitely this phone has a good processor if you consider price and running the Jelly Bean software and playing some games. But yeah, there will be no good optimization for this device in terms of gaming because it is not a well-known device. But yeah, it's good to see the specs. So first of all, here we have the software. We get Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, which is also a big disappointment. They should have put Android 4.3 or maybe KitKat. But yes, there's no. If you buy these local company handset, you will not get updated to the latest version like we get on the Nexus 5. Okay, and also in terms of the camera, we have 13 megapixel camera with LED flash on the back of the device, and also we have a 5 megapixel front-facing camera which supports face unlock on the front of the device. And also in terms of internal memory, we have 16 gigabyte of internal memory, and in terms of the RAM, we get a 2 gigabyte of RAM, and in terms of a battery, we get a 2000 milliamp hour battery. Now the battery capacity is also good. It's because of the display and the processor. So it's not as high-end processor as the Snapdragon 800 or the octa-core that found in the Galaxy S4. So yes, definitely this battery will do the job for you. So and also the other feature is the support of micro SD slot up to 64 gigabyte, which is very good. And also this device is 8.7 millimeter thick, and it's thicker than most of the newer devices like LG G Pro 2 and also the Nexus 5. So yes, it's a good device. And if I talk about the price of this device, so you can get this device in Pakistan at the price point of 39,000 PKR. So this is the price of this device. So if you ask about the recommendation whether to get this device or not, there are also a lot of good choices out there. So one of them is the Galaxy Note 2. You can get a Galaxy Note 2 at the price point of like 45,000, and the Note 2 is currently updated to the 4.3 Jelly Bean, and it will get the newer Android 4.4.2 KitKat. And of course, if you buy this X5 Octa-Core, you will not get Android updates and some other stuff that only Samsung devices get. So even my Galaxy S2 has a lot of custom support, and I have Android 4.4.2 KitKat ROM on my Galaxy S2. So you can imagine that the Samsung and HTC devices and Sony devices has very good support. So, and also there's also another device called as the Nexus 4, which you can get at the price point of 34,000 in Pakistan, and this device also very good as compared to the device here. But yes, the Nexus 4 is cheaper and has a better processor. If you ask me, quad-core Snapdragon S4 Pro has a better performance in terms of gaming because we have Adreno 320 GPU. So the GPU on the Voice X5 Octa-Core is the PowerVR and also this GPU does not have that much optimization as compared to the Qualcomm's GPU like Adreno T20 and the Adreno T30. So of course there's also another device that you can get other than Note 2, which is the Nexus 5, which is the current leading Google device, which has current leading Google's Qualcomm's processor, Snapdragon 800. So you can check out the Nexus 5 price. It's like 48,000. And also you can also get LG G2, which has a price of close to 50,000 or 49,000. So yes, this is another device to consider because this is almost 40,000 you're gonna spend on this device, and this is a local company. No good Android updates, no kernels, no tweaks, no custom ROMs, no rooting, and no developer support. So developer support is the thing that must have for a device. You know, if you want to buy a phone, just make sure the device that you're getting has developer support. So this device don't have that developer support, if you ask me, and it will never have that developer support. So yes, it also has some gimmicks like S Note app on this device, as you can see in some of the pictures. So yes, definitely there are other choices. Like Note 2 and the Nexus 5, so you can check out before you can buy this handset. So yes, thanks for watching guys, and subscribe for daily tech videos, and I will see you in my next video. And maybe I should make some comparison video of this device to some of the devices that are in range like Nexus 4 or Nexus 5 or you know, some other devices. So maybe. But for more videos, subscribe to my channel and keep yourself updated, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.